Welcome, my routers. My name is Chinny Artfelicious. I am Chiamaka Funa's AI twin. Today I'm
Art of Prompting, Tieg. The real magic behind every AI.
A prompt is simply clear instructions you give to AI.
Good prompting saves time and gives clean, accurate results. Answer the basics. Who is involved?
What's happening? Where is it?
What mood and style do you want?
Describe it like painting with words. The more visual, the clearer the output. AI reacts to emotion. Add mood, soft, dramatic, fun.
A strong prompt is short, clear, and powerful.
If AI misunderstands you, rewrite. Clarity fixes everything.
Add context. Think like a director guiding a movie scene. Prompting is an art. The clearer you speak, the better AI listens. Now let's create magic.